Well, today we've got a Shark vacuum cleaner. Now I don't remember the name of it, the number of it. Let's see if I can find the number on here. That's gotta be it. Anyway, you turn this thing on and boy, it makes a rumbling noise, and I'm afraid it's gonna break something if I turn it on again. But we're gonna take it apart, and I've got a pretty good idea what it is. Alrighty, let's take a look. Okay, I've taken all these screws out, but this one, and under this roller on each side, there's a screw under there too. You can see all the hair. Of course, you'll see it better when I get this thing out of there. But, find my little, here we go. Nope, that's not it. I know I got a little screwdriver in here somewhere. Okay, and you have to pry this thing up. Okay. Don't lose the pin, don't lose that washer. That's the nice thing about having these magnetic screw holders. Okay, what you want is a CR VT10. That will take out all these screws. Okay, then just be careful lifting this thing up. Pry this off, because there are some wires under here that we have to disconnect. I think, could be wrong. No, we cannot disconnect them, so we have to be careful. Now we need to take this off. You can see all this hair on there. Evidently they have a dog. Okay, got that off. Okay, this side here is fine. This side here, I can see what happened. All this hair wraps around this bearing here, locks it up, and then when the bearing locks up, of course you can't see it here, I'll show you on the new one. When the bearing locks up, it just melts the bearing holder. Alright, let's get the new one. And there again, hair all over the place. Looks like 3 different kinds of hair. Alright, here's the new one. That shows to be it. Okay, well, I can't get that off of there, but you can see up in there, there's the holder for that bearing. This turns real easy. So, we know the bearing's good on this. Alright, let's put this in there. Okay, that side is in. Now we need this side, which is, I know it's kind of hard to see, but once you get that once you get the belt side in, just push that in, and you're done. The belt costs $13. That's on eBay, and I kind of wish I would have bought a belt too, since I'm in here. I'm sure the belts are not very expensive, and then I could be done with it. But I guess I'll just have to call me again. Okay, we got everything in there. We have no hair showing. So carefully pick this up. Now this shouldn't fall out, but still, this shouldn't fall out. But keep your hand on it just to be on the safe side. Turn it around slowly. Now when you set this down in here, you shouldn't have to force it anywhere. Well, something's got it. Let's see what. Could be that wire right there. Let's see. I see nothing in the way. Looks like the black wire goes in here and the white wire goes in there. So it'll be kind of hard for you to see. Wish there was another slot in there. I do not see one. Oh, here they are. They go down here in this slot. Okay, there we go. That one goes there. Those wires out of the way now. They're back in their place. Carefully swing this around again. Got a wire hung up there. There we go. Well, still got a problem here. Well, these wires are definitely not cooperating. Golly bum. Ah, there we go. Those cotton picking wires. Okay, she's down now. Alright, let's get some screws on there. One. Make sure you get the little washer and put on there. Okay, snapped into place, snapped into place. Well, I'm in. Okay, got it together. Let's fire this thing up. Okay, let's fire this thing up. There's the brush in there. Now, one way the switch turns on just the vacuum, then the other one turns on the brush. Nice and quiet, and everything works. Boy, that's wonderful. $13 to fix a shark.